Another day, another story. Introduction to Personal Finance, Budgeting 101. Welcome to our video series on personal finance. Today, we'll be diving into the fundamentals of budgeting and how it can help you take control of your financial future. So, let's get started with Budgeting 101. What is budgeting? Budgeting is simply the process of creating a plan for your money. It involves tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and allocating your resources to meet those goals effectively. A budget serves as a roadmap for your financial journey, helping you make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. Benefits of budgeting. Now, you might wonder why budgeting is so important. Well, let's look at some of the benefits it offers. 1. Financial awareness. Budgeting helps you gain a clear understanding of where your money is coming from and where it's going. By tracking your expenses, you become more mindful of your spending habits and can identify areas where you can make adjustments. 2. Goal setting. A budget enables you to set financial goals and work towards achieving them. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, a budget helps you allocate funds towards these goals. 3. Reducing debt. With a budget, you can allocate more money towards debt repayment. By prioritizing high-interest debts and making consistent payments, you can accelerate your journey to becoming debt-free. 4. Emergency preparedness. A budget allows you to set aside funds for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Having an emergency fund provides a safety net, reducing financial stress and preventing you from going into debt when unexpected costs arise. 5. Building wealth. Budgeting helps you make intentional decisions about saving and investing. By allocating a portion of your income towards investments, you can grow your wealth over time and work towards financial independence. Steps to create a budget. Now that we understand the benefits of budgeting, let's go over the steps to create a budget. 1. Track your income and expenses. Start by gathering information about your income sources, such as your salary, freelance earnings, or investment returns. Then, track your expenses by reviewing bank statements, receipts, and bills. Categorize your expenses into groups like housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and so on. 2. Set financial goals. Identify your short-term and long-term financial goals. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or invest for retirement? Assign specific dollar amounts and timelines to each goal. 3. Create a spending plan. Based on your income and expenses, allocate your money towards different categories. Set limits for each category to ensure you're not overspending. Be realistic and prioritize your goals. 4. Track and adjust. Regularly monitor your budget and track your actual spending against the planned amounts. Make adjustments as needed, but always strive to stay within your plan limits. 5. Save and invest. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments. Start by building an emergency fund, and then explore investment options such as retirement accounts, index funds, or real estate. Budgeting tips. Lastly, here are some budgeting tips to help you along the way. 1. Be consistent. Stick to your budgeting routine. Review your budget regularly, track your expenses diligently, and make adjustments as necessary. 2. Automate savings. Set up